like chocolate à la coco. Make she follow me go and fly away.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will know each time I upload a video. I try to upload at least once a week. I know I'm a little behind, but I try to upload at least once a week so you don't want to miss out. Okay, so I'm coming to you in the middle of getting ready. I have done my eye makeup, I have done my eyebrows. I have not necessarily put on my foundation yet because I wanted to apply this unit. So I'm so excited, you guys, because today I am working with a new company. It is another Amazon vendor, but let me go ahead and give you details about this particular unit. All right, so this is a deep wave lace front wig, human hair. It's 150% density. It's a 13 by 4. It says HD frontal wig, and it's in 22 inches. And I want to thank this particular Amazon vendor, MODA Mode, for sending me this unit to review on my channel. I am super excited, you guys. I had a chance to kind of play with the hair a little bit, and I had a chance to wash it to see, you know, if it washed well. You know, I'm always checking for that. I was so surprised. I was excited after I had done that. I was like, okay, I'm ready to go. So I decided to wash the unit, you know, just to see how it takes to washing. The packaging, can I just talk about the packaging real quick? And of course I'm going to insert clips so you guys will know the packaging was A1. I was not expecting to get all these goodies. Of course I got the hair, I got elastic band. It came in a gorgeous silk bag. They gave me nails, you guys. I was like, I've never received nails before from companies, so this was kind of cool for me. I was like, what? I was super duper excited. I love the bag, so I think the bag, I'm going to be using it again, you know. And the bag says girls just want to have fun, and that's right, I want to have fun. So the bag is really cute. It's reflective. It came with a lot of goodies, and I'm going to show you on the side what it came with. And what else? It came with a bomb wig. It came with an amazing wig. So I'm like, okay, let's go. Yes, and again, I want to thank this particular company, MODA Mode, for sending me this unit to review. Also, you guys, there's a discount code. So if you're interested in this unit, I'm going to link the discount code down below. I probably will leave it on the screen as well. You can get some money off. You can get a discount using this particular code from June 23rd all the way to July 3rd. All right. Everything will be linked down below, so it will be easy access. Okay, so let me show you the wig because I'm just super excited about the wig. I'm just super excited. I just got to show you the wig now because let me show you the wig. Look how gorgeous these curls are, you guys. This is gorgeous. One thing I noticed when I washed the unit was that there was very little shedding. I was able to comb through the unit. It didn't tangle. It didn't give me any type of really horrible problem. So I was super excited about that. I was like, okay, I am ready. I'm ready for this. You know, we're just gonna get into it. So let's get into it. Let's get into this unit. Okay, let's get into this unit. Okay. It comes with 3 combs. It does look a little pre-plucked, in my opinion. Right? It comes with adjustable straps, and they also provided an elastic band if I wanted to make it tighter. It has lace in the back. I typically just cut these off immediately because I just do. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. They said it's HD, so I don't know. Is it HD? I'm going to show you guys how it looks on before I customize it. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on. I talked a lot. Sorry. I talked a lot, you guys. Let's get into this. Let's get into the sleigh. Let's get into the Right? So this is how it looks on before I start really manipulating it and playing around with it, you guys. Should I do a middle part or a side part, you guys? It came with baby hairs. If you know anything about me, then you know I'm not good with baby hairs, so I'm not even gonna play myself, to be completely honest. And plus I do kind of like the no baby hair look. That's more my aesthetic. So, but I'm really, wait a minute, y'all. Let me do the new hair dance. I'll see you back soon. All right. Thank you so much for sticking around with me. So I just wanted to do a quick review on this unit. You guys, I am loving this hair. You guys, I'm so hot. It's so hot where I am right now. I need to finish this video. This hair reminds me of the hair that I reviewed months ago, and it was like a blonde version of this. So this is what this reminds me of right now. So I went ahead and did a side part. It's extremely long, you guys. I think it's supposed to be 22 inches, but I feel like it's even longer than that. And I'm going to show you a little clip of the hair and how long it is. It comes to like my lower back. I'm really pleased with this hair. I think the quality is there. There's really no pros and cons. It's all pros. As I showed earlier, it washed very well. It didn't tangle up. There was very minimal shedding, you guys. So if you're looking for a deep wave hair, I want to call this like vacay hair, to be honest. This is like vacation hair. If you're looking for a vacay hair, I think this is the one. One thing that I did notice is that it looks, I think the color is like 1B, but it looks like I have some specks of like brown in it a little bit, which is okay with me. You know, this section where the frontal is, it's just a little shorter than the other section, so it's a little, has like a little layered type of effect, which I don't mind at all. I think the 150 density is definitely something that is more realistic for those everyday girls out there that want to slay this hair. You know, it's not something that is too excessive. So I think that's a really good, another pro, honestly. I don't really have any cons. I don't have any cons. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye.